welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're kind of doing like a skincare update, skincare routine type of situation. So here's the thing, I've been using rice water on my face for the past 4 days, and I just kind of wanted to come to you guys and give you guys an update about it and just pretty much share with you guys my views, how it's affected my skin, if I notice any differences and things like that. But before we get any further into this video, go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time seeing me. Hit the notification bell if you have not already. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. If this video is interesting to you guys, go ahead and comment and share it. So just wanted to go ahead and say that. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Yes, by the way, guys, we are up close and personal. We are closer than we've ever been. The camera is all in my face, but that's okay. This video is all about my skin, so I'm just gonna show you guys my skin and pretty much talk to you guys about it. So pretty much not many people, I haven't really seen many people use rice water on their face. There are some videos on YouTube, but it's not like a ton of videos. So this is kind of like an experimental type of phase. People say that there are tons, so people say that there are tons of benefits for rice water. Some people use rice water for lightening their skin, like as far as like dark marks or scarring. Some people use it as a toner. You can use it to smooth out your skin. It's a ton of things. People use it for eczema. There's like a lot of benefits to using rice water, but I'm going to be using it just to kind of give my skin a more of a glow, and to also just kind of smooth my skin out, because I notice whenever I kind of use it, it kind of gives my skin a smoother finish. But we're just going to keep using it and see how it goes as we progress through this process. So y'all don't mind any type of, imperfections on my face. I am coming to you guys with no makeup on. And when I say no makeup, I really mean no brows and no lashes, because all I do is lashes and brows, because to me it's just it just pulls your whole face together. But anyway, what we're going to go ahead and do is talk about the rice water. So this is my rice water mixture. I keep it in the refrigerator because I don't want it to ferment too much, simply because I'm using it on my face. If I was to just use it on my hair, I would kind of, be more open to the idea of it fermenting, but for it to be on my face, I think I kind of have sensitive skin, so I don't want it to be on my face like, fermented too much. Don't know, that's just me, that's just how I do it. But this is the mixture that I have, and as you guys know, I do add like other ingredients into my rice water. So there is peppermint oil in here, and there also is lavender oil and castor oil as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on the cotton ball, and just to give you guys an update as far as exactly what's going on with my skin. So all I really do is wash my face with Noxzema, and then I put shea butter over it. But I just started really like consistently using the rice water every single day. I did miss one day, but that's just because I don't know, it just slipped my mind. I'm sorry, y'all, but but I'm using it consistently. So I do plan on using it for about 7 to 10 days just to see what my skin does. But I'm giving you guys like a midway update. Anyway, what was I talking about? Oh yeah, so I just washed my face with Noxzema, and then I add shea butter over it, and I'm using the rice water on my face now, and that's just really what my skincare routine is now. And I'm just using the rice water to kind of smooth my skin out, because I don't really have dark marks or blemishes per se, but I do have a lot of texture on my skin, and I don't know, that could be due to anything. Like, I probably need to drink more water, but I also just have textured skin. Like, my skin is just very, very textured. So what I'm doing now is just trying to evenly distribute the rice water over my face. And I do see some people, when they use rice water, they let it sit on their face and then they rinse it off. I think some people just let it sit on their face altogether. For the past few days, I've been letting mine sit. I just left it on my face altogether, but today I think I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, because I am using a different technique. Usually I just kind of mist it over my face, but today I'm actually putting it like in my skin, and because of the peppermint oil, y'all, it's like tingling and it feels so good. It feels like a facial. Oh, and it smells good too. So that's what I put in my rice water, and that's what works for me, because I know when I put it on my scalp it tingles as well, and that just feels so good to me. I don't know, it just makes me feel like my hair is growing or my skin is like rejuvenating. I don't know, something. But yeah, sorry y'all, it's kind of late in the day, so if I look tired it's because I kind of am a little bit. But I'm just gonna go ahead and rub this in. It feels great. I'm gonna let it sit for probably about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I am ready to rinse it off. And I'm gonna also just go over my face with a little bit of shea butter when I am finished, just to give myself the overall glow. And then we'll talk a little bit more about the rice water as well, and then that'll be pretty much the end of this video. So stay tuned for the rest of this video if y'all want to see like the update on my skin. Alright you guys, so we are back, and what I went ahead and did, was rinse the rice water off of my face, and then I just kind of patted my face dry with a towel. Now what I'm going to do is go over my face with some shea butter. Yes, this is the good brand. This is the brand I like. I'm sure it's a ton. Ooh, I know that's loud. I'm sorry y'all. I'm sure there is a ton of other brands, but this is just the one I like. So we're going to just go ahead and talk a little bit more about rice water for your face. But what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to include pictures of my skin each day. Well, not each day, it's kind of like every other day, because I took pictures of my face every other day. So I took them on the first day, and I took them on the third, or was it the second? I think it was the second day. So I took them on the third and the second, the first and the second day, and this is the fourth day. So I really just skipped one day as far as pictures and keeping up with it, and that was yesterday. So this is the before and after pictures. They will be included somewhere on this screen. And then I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about what I noticed it doing for my skin. So I noticed that it does kind of make my skin softer and smoother. And I'm not sure if it's the fact that it's mixed with the shea butter, but I do kind of feel like I get a little bit more of a glow with it as well. But, oh, my earring. Y'all be the judge. Let me know if you notice a difference. Hold on, let me put this back. So I'm gonna try to zoom in with my camera. Let me know if you guys notice anything about my skin. Y'all look at that forehead up close in person. Yes, y'all. So yeah, I noticed that it makes my skin a little bit more glowy and smoother and a little bit softer as well. But as you guys know, I do have other oils in the rice water as well. I have castor oil, lavender oil, and peppermint oil. So that could be also a reason why it makes my skin softer. I don't know. It could be anything. Only time will tell as I like continually use it. Alright, so you guys let me know on the poll that'll be probably in this corner or this corner. Let me know if you guys want me to do this for 7 days or 10 days as far as how long I do the rice water on my face, depending on how my skin responds to it. So I'm gonna have a poll up here. Let me know what you guys want me to do as far as this video, as far as how long this series kind of goes on, just to kind of give you guys updates on my skin, because right now my skin isn't doing too bad. The only thing that I really noticed is that it's just very textured, like it's a lot of small bumps, but that could also be to the fact that I need to drink some water today, and it's a little hot in the middle of the day and I didn't drink any water, you know, so that could be something as well. But we're gonna see if my skin does any better and all that stuff. So I just wanted to come to you guys and give you guys an update on my skin and let you guys know that I have been using rice water on my face, and I'm kind of nervous and kind of scared, but we're gonna see how it goes, because I'm kind of excited too, just to kind of see what it does for my skin, because I know it works good for my hair. So we're gonna see if it's the same concept or what is going on. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of you guys' face. I know we are super close today, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap this video up. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have not already, go ahead and hit the notification bell as well. Share this video if it was enjoyable. Share this video if you found it interesting as well. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.